Okay, guys, so I just wanted to bring y'all some tea because basically I could tell y'all now because what I'm about to start doing, basically fighting for my career. Last January, right before my father passed, I remember calling him saying, "Oh my God, these people are contacting me," and I didn't apply for anything. So anyway, I was in the house one day minding my business, and I got an email. The email basically stated that they saw my profile on Instagram and they're interested in me being on their show. I didn't even know what show it was. I didn't care what show they wanted me to be on. Immediately, like, things started just going through my head. So at first I thought someone was messing with me. Yes, I'm paranoid. I really thought someone was messing with me. Let me make sure I have the right angle so you guys can see me. I think I was better over here. But anyway, I said, I even went as far as calling my friend because she's been on the Food Network before. The lighting in my room sucks. I apologize, guys. She's been on the Food Network before, so I said, let me hit her up and see if she knows this email or these people. So she was like, no, that's them. You need to give them your number now. That's not fake. So I said, okay. So anyway, I gave them my number. They called me. And she was like, hello, Miss Welsh. I said, yes, this is... Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't mean to laugh because if y'all could have seen that conversation, it was a mess. It was a mess because I was so nervous, like so nervous. So the first thing she asked me is, are you familiar or are you great with working with cheese and chocolate? So I said, I wanted to lie, y'all. I'm not going to lie. I wanted to lie, but then in my mind, I'm like, if I lie, and then she's like, all right, pack your bags in the morning. What am I going to do? What am I going to tell those people when I get there in the morning? See, like I said, I don't know how their routine goes, how they work and all of that. So I don't know if it was So I said, ma'am, well, I'm not familiar with chocolate. I'm not great with pastries. However, I'm great with cheese. Not macaroni and cheese or grilled cheese. You know, I went to a French culinary school. We learned how to use cheese in many different other ways other than just mac and cheese and grilled cheese. So I was good with that. So she was like, well, hold on. She put me on hold. At this point, I'm just freaking out. So then she comes back. She was like, well, we see that you have a YouTube channel. What are your numbers? That's when I was like, it's over. Like, it's over. It's over. It's over. So I was like, well, I have 1,000 subscribers and about 50,000 views. And then she just said to me, she was like, well, when you become an overnight sensation, call us back. Y'all, when I tell y'all my heart sunk. My heart sunk. My feelings was hurt, but I wasn't angry. And I'm going to tell you why I wasn't angry. I wasn't angry because she told me the truth. She told me the truth. I don't know if anyone that follows me still watch the Food Network or whatever. No shade. No shade. There's a lot of people that got picked up from YouTube or anywhere, period. Even if they didn't see them on YouTube, like, they have huge followings. Like, they don't want no one wants someone on their network that no one knows. And if no one knows you, your skill better be buku on point. So when she said that, I was just like, okay, ma'am. Thanks anyway, and thank you for giving me a call. She was like, no problem, just call us back and, you know, we'll figure something out. And she was nice at the end, but the way she said it, you know, the first time it was just like... But anyway, long story short is, again, my father passed right after that. So, you know, I was in this depression stage where I'm like, you know, I don't care about anything, nothing. And then it hit me the other day. And the reason why I'm telling you guys this is because the other day I was in my room just laying down, thinking. And it hit me like, these people didn't call me for no reason. Anyone, period. The music business, the food industry, these people don't call you for no reason. Like, they call you because they see potential. And the fact that they saw potential in just my Instagram page and offered me to be on a show that I didn't even apply for, that alone should have been motivation under my ass. Like, listen, Mesha, you know? And it's crazy because naturally I'm a recipe developer. Like, everyone knows my dream job is to have my own show on the Food Network. However, if they were to just hire me to be a recipe developer in the back, writing recipes for people that already have their own show, I'm fine with that. Throw me in the back somewhere. I just want to work for y'all. Just throw me in the back somewhere. It's fine. I could be a recipe developer, make my money that way, whatever the case may be. It's fine with me. I don't, I want my own show, but I don't need to have my own show, but it's just the point of the fact that they called me without me applying for anything. You know what I mean? And I was laying in my bed. I just kept thinking about it. I never really told anyone about this, except for like friends and family that know what happened. But yeah, so that's what happened. And now they came and found me this time. Now I'm going to go and find them. So I recently recorded a audition tape for the next Food Network star. And I also applied for a couple shows. And I just want y'all to pray for me and wish me luck. And I'm hoping and praying they call me again. So that's what I've been doing. And I just wanted to share that with y'all just in case anything at all pop off. Yes, I'm having strong hopes for myself. I'm speaking it into existence. If anything pop off, you guys will be caught up and know what's going on. So yeah. So that's what I've been doing. And yeah. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. And I'll see y'all on my next video, which will probably be the middle of this week. Comment below. Let me know what you guys got planned for this week. How was your weekend? God bless y'all. Have an amazing new week. And good night.